Many homeowners make the mistake of waiting until a plumbing emergency to find a plumber. Before you unexpectedly find yourself without water, plan in advance and know the number of a licensed contractor in your area. If you are looking for a reliable and trustworthy plumber in Spokane, Washington, look no further than Bulldog Rooter. We are a local plumbing company offering repair service that is quick, professional, and affordable. Bulldog Rooter can take care of any plumbing problem, from clogged sinks, toilets, and showers to leaking pipes, faucets, and fixtures. We happily provide 24/7 emergency service and never charge extra for overtime, nights, or weekends. Got a clog? Call the dog. For all of your plumbing needs, visit www.bulldogrooter.com or call 509-535-3447 for a free estimate.